How to enable security notifications on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable security notifications on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in the top. Click on it and here click settings, and now just click account, and here you will find security. And if you want to turn it on, all you need to do is just click on it here, one click, and then just go back. It will be saved, and that's it. It's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.